I'm Injabandi Nyamaji. I grew up in Northampton, Munimaya. I went to boarding school in Geraldton and then I later moved to Perth to study. Within the public sector, I have 3 different positions during my time here. I've worked within health for about 12 years, so within the North Metro Health Service. So I started out as a registered nurse, then went on and studied dentistry and worked as a dental officer in Kununurra, and now I'm acting director for Aboriginal Health for North Metro Health Service. I love working in the public sector because you get such a variety of different patients and complexity of treatment that you wouldn't usually get in the private setting. And I love how it kind of challenges you to be better, and every day is very different. It's something that I really love, and having multiple roles within the health service has been really great, I guess, for me, being able to, help our mob out in the hospital, bridging those gaps, I guess, in health literacy and education, and, being able to ensure that they're getting the right service and the right care that they need. The youth is a huge, important thing that I want to focus on, because we need to empower our young people. We need to share our culture and expose them to healthcare, because it's imperative that they're going to be our next generation. They're going to be the ones looking after us, and I think it's really important that they know how to manage and deal with preventable issues. The advice that I would give to anyone that's considering joining the public sector would be that you're never going to get a more unique, diverse experience than working within the public health sector. I have enjoyed my time. I've made some great friendships that will last an eternity. I can go within any of the hospitals and be recognised, and I think that is kind of a representation of the supportive kind of team environment that our services do provide. And I think that's really important, because for our mob, we want to feel welcomed, we want to feel like we're at home in the workplace, and I think it's really important that we always ensure that we do that and provide that cultural lens and perspective. And I think that the public sector definitely is creating a lot of change in that space.